Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to clear your YouTube TV queue so you can remove all the videos you've added to watch next on your smart TV or streaming device. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your TV. Launch the YouTube app on your smart TV, Roku, Fire TV, or console. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Step 2. Go to the queue. Press the left arrow on your remote to open the sidebar menu. Scroll to the queue section. It may also appear as Next Up or Play Queue if you've added videos. Step 3. Clear the queue. Highlight any video in the queue. Press the menu button, 3 dots, or More button, depending on your device. Select Remove from Queue. Repeat this for each video, or scroll to the bottom and choose Clear Queue if available. Bonus tip: if you want to prevent videos from auto-adding to the queue, avoid clicking Watch Later while on the TV app. Instead, use playlists or history for tracking. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.